Welcome to Trailhead Restaurant, Bar, and Campground. Stay tuned for a drive through this off-road headquarters. This unique campground features sites with complete RV hookups, as well as rustic campsites, showers, modern bathrooms, a laundry room, a bar and restaurant, as well as direct access to 117 miles of ATV and RV trails right across the street. They also offer free parking for those who just want to park their ATV or Jeep trailers. Be sure to stop in the restaurant for a wonderful meal after your day of adventuring the island.
All right, let's do a quick drive around the Trailhead Bar, Restaurant, Campground, and RV Park. Not a real big place. So when you come in, straight ahead is the restaurant. To the left is all where the basically hookup sites are for the campers. We'll go there first, and in that building right there you see, which we'll check out in a minute as well, is the bathrooms and laundry room. Here's the restaurant bar. You can see there, and then you can see here, it's just one loop over here. You are on Miller Lake. This is the RV section, I'm gonna say. I don't see any tents here, and they have the hookups. There's Miller Lake. There's a little play structure. And then there's water right there as well. Good spot for filling up your water. And then that ends the RV portion of this, at least as of today. We'll go back into the little parking lot here to the bar. Pretty good sized parking lot, I should say. And you'll notice two doors on this side of the building. These are the two bathrooms that have showers. Pretty nice. I've used them a few times. They're clean. They work well. So pretty good. No complaints there. In the middle here, you're gonna see that one room. There is one washer and one dryer in there. And then we go here, you're going to see two bathrooms. Wipe off my lens. Now we're in, there's a hookup right there. These first two sites do have hookups. Right here they start calling it rustic. So they'll call these sites rustic. You got A, B. We're in rustic B here. So you can see our site. And there's rustic C right across from us. Again, this is just one small little loop. This campground's right by the trails, the far east end of the trails. Again, direct access to trails, pretty easy. We've been here a few days and love the ride in here. So here is site D. I'm going to say it's small. Okay, so there's site D, and there's a little extra parking right across. Site E does seem to have some sort of pull through there to site F, but again, there's all of site E, so it's not real big. And we'll kind of finish the loop out. There's site F. I believe they're going to be expanding the place. Food was pretty good. So there's a cutout, but there's nothing there saying what site it is. And we are now right back into where we came in. There's the sign there where we came in. And then as you remember, we came in here the Trailhead Bar Restaurant right there. Maybe we get some more footage and show you, but there's what you see when you come in from this way. So to the right, some of the rustic tent camping sites. To the left is where all the campers are. Here's Site B, just to show you real quick. So we kind of parked our trailer out sideways that way. Got our tent, screened in room. Beautiful island for kayaking as well. There was our fire pit. Got our generator right back there. This is considered a rustic site, but you do have bathrooms. Just don't have really anything at your site. Rustic Site B, the Trailhead Campground in Drummond Island.